Namaste students, myself Dr. Kundar Mishra, Department of Agatantra and Vidyavedika, Jyoti Vidyapit, Women's University, Jaipur. Student, we already completed all type of mechanical injuries in last lecture. Uh, in this lecture, we are studying about the another type of injuries, which is also the last mechanical injuries, which are we studying in the forensic medicine and toxicology. Here, these are the injuries due to the exposure of cold. Cold. What is cold? The effect of cold on the human body may be local or general. Severity may be depends upon the intensity of the cold. Cold produces hypothermia. Body can tolerate dry cold better than the wet cold. Then infant and old are more susceptible to the cold. Women withstand the cold are longer due to presence of fat more in her body, and alcohol, starvation, fatigue, and disease decrease the tolerance of the cold. Then signs and symptoms. The cold grips body metabolism lowered, respiration rate is slowed, heart rate become low, fall in the peripheral circulation, and also the surface of the body became pale, muscle stiffness are present, and the dilation of the capillaries are the present in the cold related injuries. Then local injuries due to cold are frostbite, trench foot, immersion foot, and hypothermia. Also the blisters present in erythematous patches, soft blisters, hard and black blisters, and blisters deep into the bone. Pathogenosis. Here the vascular spasm is present, damage to the blood vessels, also the formation of icy crystals are present in this type of injuries. Then manifestation. Here in the first stage, the body temperature is 32 to 37 degrees Celsius, shivers, feels of cold, then pulse rate and are increases. Then second stage, the body temperature becomes 27 to 32 degrees Celsius and shivers, drops, depressed, drowsy, sleepy, muscle stiffness are present. In third stage, the body temperature become below 27 degrees Celsius. Here the fatal period is within 24 hours. The treatment of the cold related injuries are dry warming with the hot water bottle, not prick blisters, then anticoagulant and antibiotics. Then postmortem in appearance. Here the patches are seen over the large joint, example elbow, hip, knee. Then the frost bite or immersion foot may be seen. Body may be completely stiff, normal rigor mortis occurs. And postmortem lividity is bright red in color. The medical legal aspect. Death from the cold is usually accidental. Artificial hypothermia may be included during the operation of brain, heart, and kidney for bloodless surgery. Cold storage of the dead body retards the decomposition. Cold injury in newborn. It results in the failure of metabolism to maintain body temperature. Loss of heat is fueled by a high ratio of surface area to the body mass by relative deficiency of subcutaneous fat and poorly developed vasomotor reflexes. Production of heat by chemical means it below adult level, and production of the heat by physical mean is low. The thermoregulatory mechanism is precise and efficient in the older child and adult, while for several hours at least after birth in the newborn. Autopsy appearance in the cold related injuries. Here the exclude to some causes of unnatural death. Non-specific infection may be found. Massive pulmonary hemorrhage without evidence of the infection is common. Association with the mild edema, cyanosis of extremities are present. In medical legal aspect, newly born child is comparatively sensible to the cold. Thermal instability of newborn baby makes prosecution charge of infanticide due to cold. Thank you. Here we complete our uh, yeah, in our chapter of cold, and after this we will